यहाँ से 100 गज भी नहीं है सन एंड सैंड होटल जहाँ यात्रा शुरू हुई थी 1972 में। मैं दहीसर में रहता था उन दिनों, और a very good art director used to be a friend of mine. Aga Jani was his name. He used to do mirror work. He had done the mirror work of Mughal Azam. And he used to live in the same building that I used to. And one day he was coming to meet his director, Chand Saab. And I just tagged along with him. ये होटल बाकी यहाँ कुछ उस समय नहीं था, सिर्फ सन एंड सैंड हुआ करता था। और उस दिन जैसा आपने बताया कि सारे दिन खड़े होकर के मैं शूटिंग देखता रहा, पूरी तरह से मेस्मराइज्ड। मुझे लगा कि दुनिया की सारी चीजें इसी में हैं, और मैंने ठान ली कि फिल्में बनानी है। That's how the journey began. But today, my friends, as a filmmaker, as somebody who kind of you keep looking all your life for, one mascot, and here he was. It was like he has given me hope, faith, and kind of the vigor to work with. We continue to look at each other, we continue to grow with each other. And today, we'll be talking about all these films, but both of us, we have decided to, do multiple productions, come together. He is presenting my Ganga Jal 2 because Ganga Jal 2 cannot be complete without Ajay.
I think, how many years we've been together now? Nearly 16 years. I remember when I was injured at home and I'd broken my hand, and he came to give me a narration of a film called Dil Kya Kare. And I really liked that film, that script, and I told him one condition, I'm going to produce it. And he said, okay. And that's where we started from. And we did some fabulous work together, thanks to him, that, films like Ganga Jal and Aparan and Rajniti and Satyagraha and all, everybody appreciated my performance, the film, and there's always been a message hidden somewhere in his films, which I think it is very important for me also to do such films, because on one side you're doing films which are completely commercial, and one side there is something which is commercial but which also says something and means something to the society. So that's where we are today, and we met, and I think the most important thing in films is today that we have great scripts, and that's what he also has, that's what I've been also working at, so we decided to get together and make good cinema. That's what we're doing. And when he narrated me Ganga Jal 2, I thought it was really fabulous, and I said, let's do it together. Because obviously I don't cast in this film because the role is not for me. But
now you are a Singham.
That's besides the point, but should I tell them why also it does not suit me? Well, lady go. Because this time he's making Ganga Jal, and I think the script demands somebody should be a heroine. This is
a female protagonist. The male protagonist is a female.
Female cop. So which is what I like the most, that we are making a film here, and we are pushing what we really need to push, and the women of our country and of the world.